Welcome, everyone. I hope everyone's having a wonderful Labor Day. I just wanted to hop on here real quick. If you hop on here and if you see me live or if you're catching the replay, just comment below and tell me whether you're watching it live or if you're actually watching the replay. And tell me what you're doing this Labor Day. I hope you're out there having fun. I'm going to go to the poll here in a little bit after I get some cardio in. So just tell me what you're doing and tell me, I hope it's fun and exciting. So let's get started. This is for all my athletes out there. Do I have any athletes that's had a lot of injuries, want to keep active, just doing what they love doing so much? Say maybe you're not playing your favorite sport anymore, but you love to work out. You love to keep that physical fitness. Or my athletes that are currently playing and you've had an injury and you just want to get out there and really be able to be there for your team, whether it's a team sport, an individual sport, you just want to get back there out there on that field. So say you've had an injury, your joints are hurting, you're not sure what is actually going on. I'm going to give you a little recipe that actually is going to help support that. So the key is to apply it as much as you can, because when we have an injury, I want you guys to realize what is actually going on with the human body. Especially if it's in the acute state, we have to get those oils on there and reapply so that we can actually give the body what it needs to help the body heal itself. So say it's a knee. I'm an ex-soccer player, so I've had a lot of knee dislocations. And I'm a firm believer in keeping the joints as long as humanly possible. So say that you're a golfer or you're a football player, or maybe you're a basketball player, and you just want to get back out there for your team, or you want to prevent injuries. So this is all about prevention and getting back on the field. Whatever you choose to do, and say it's later on in life and you just want to keep running, or maybe you want to keep biking. These are to actually help you maintain your body and your joints so that you can do what you love doing. So how many athletes do I have that's all for that? So let's start off super simple. So is the Aroma Touch. Now, I like to joke around and say this is Jody in a bottle, but this is your massage therapist in a bottle. So how many of y'all get massages on a regular basis? You can literally, now I'm not saying that you don't need your massage therapist, because you do. Because what we can provide for you guys to actually help you get back out there as soon as possible is crucial, and actually maintain even if you don't have any injuries. But that's a whole other different topic. So simply get your Aroma Touch out. And literally, guys, when you have an injury, or say that you think that you can't run, or you think you can't be back out there, get this bottle of oil out. And literally, if you're to that point, you have to realize what we're dealing with, okay? And, it's taking you a while to get to that point. So I want you all to realize that. And literally, it's going to take a little while to get you feeling better, but it's all about applications and reapplying. So literally, when you're starting off, I want you to put this on as much as humanly possible. I recommend every hour on the hour, but guys, if you can only do it like 4 or 5 times a day, get it out there, do it. It's not hard to open up a bottle of essential oil and apply it on a knee joint or a shoulder joint. So literally get this out and put on your knee as much as you can, okay? So, how hard is that? Open up a bottle of oil, put it on the area that you are really having issues with. Say, I've had a lot of soccer and, knee dislocations. So literally, a lot of stuff going on in my knees. And I want to keep my knees as long as I can. So, and I want to keep them as healthy as possible. So literally, I cause a lot of damage. So I literally apply this on as much as I can so that I'm out of pain. And say that you're in pain. Another oil that is great is literally is to take Copahiba. It will actually block the pain receptors. So I like to put a couple drops underneath my tongue, and I can help guide you through that as well. You can also put this on topically, but I put the AromaTouch on topically, put this underneath my tongue, and I also add a little bit of lemongrass. So lemongrass is a reparative oil. So it's going to be great for the muscles, ligaments, and tendons. So literally put this on, and you know, if you're a gymnast, whatever sport you love to do, because you know, we put our bodies through so much, no matter the age. We want to prevent injuries. So take the lemongrass along with Jody in a Bottle AromaTouch, put on topically. And again, as much as possible, if you're not hurting, put it on before you go out and play, or whatever your sport is, and after, to help prevent anything. So this is just a great way to allow your body to repair itself. Our bodies are amazing, and you know, our bodies want to heal itself. So sleep is important. And another thing that I feel is crucial is, you know, make sure that you're eating right. And what I love to do also, and again, this is about starting off slow. So, but what I like to do is actually make sure my oils are going to be the most effective. And I like to, you know, Tara came out with these little cute packet, and I literally take these with me. So this is what I call an essential oil supplement. You know, it makes it different than any other supplement that's on the market, because we actually have essential oils in our supplements, and it allows us to literally for the oils to work more effectively. Sorry, I was getting someone texting me. So this allows our body to work more effectively. So, but it's all about, so literally take the dosages, like one in the morning with a meal and one in the evening with a meal. But when you're starting off, I like to start people off slow. So you can literally start off with one and just build on that. So we definitely do that. So starting off slow. So what you can do is, I don't want you to get overwhelmed. So simply take the AromaTouch, and we're going to do this slow. So simply take the AromaTouch, apply it to your knee joint, your shoulder joint, you know, every hour on the hour, at least, you know, if you're having trouble walking, if you're having trouble doing that favorite sport, at least 4 times a day, at least, guys. I need you to put this oil on as much as possible. And then you can slowly start building up. Then you can add the lemongrass. And then you, like, if you have any pain, you can do the Copahiba underneath your tongue. And then when you're ready, get on the essential oil supplement. So guys, do I have any questions? How super easy and effective is that? So, hey, Kay, tell me what you're doing on this Labor Day. I hope you're doing something fun and exciting. So just comment below and tell me what you're doing. So if I don't have any questions, I'm going to hop off here, and I'm going to get some time at the pool before the pool closes. So again, I hope you have a wonderful time. And guys, guess what? Coming in like very soon, we have convention, and we have 13 new products. So I'm super excited to see what I have to bring back to you guys, and expect some live feeds with me and my team. So I'm trying to pull them on in, and we're just going to have a blast, get tons of education. You know, the thing about doTERRA is we perform, so, you know, they teach us so much at convention. It's all about education. And say you do want to build a business and get, you know, become financially free, you know, get out of those debts. And so you don't, you know, a lot of people go to convention that just want to learn, because you are hearing the incredible science behind all of these products. So whether you want to share with family, or you just want to start improving your health, or you actually want a business opportunity, wait until we go. I actually fly out on the 9th, so I'm super excited. So be prepared, and I will see you guys later. Hold on. Oh, that's awesome, Kay. I hope you enjoy that walk on the mountains. Make sure you put that AromaTouch on your knees before you go out. So and have a wonderful time. Oh, that's a great idea, Kay, to actually purchase the live stream. So say you can't go. So you can actually log into doTERRA, and if you don't know how, I can actually help you with that. You can log into doTERRA and purchase that live stream. And for you guys that are coming with me, we're going to have such a blast. You can actually also purchase it, and because there's going to be tons of information. So, so much information that it's always good to recap. So once you're there, you can, take notes, do recordings, and really learn everything that they're talking about education. And then when you get back, you can actually just review with all this incredible knowledge and information. So, yes, Kay, you need to use that AromaTouch, get it out. Replay the video and listen to it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Again, enjoy your walk in the mountains. And if anyone else hops on here, tell me what you're doing today. Are you having a cookout? Are you getting some hot dogs, hamburgers, maybe some barbecue, some good home cooked meals, or are you juicing? What are you doing? So again, just let me know, give me some love, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.